Yeah, so
Minority.
minority, like Muslim and those all castes, like Sikh, Isai. They government provide them a scholarship.
Bro, let me tell you one thing. Sikh have the growth mindset, bro. Even they can work anywhere, and I haven't seen any Sikh who is beggar.
Yeah, me too. I haven't
Even
seen.
even they work in dealing with the
Hmm.
teeth and keys and lock,
They do
but they
any work.
never
They do
but
any
they
work.
never beg. I haven't seen any Sikh who is begging.
So question is
And
that
and the second Muslim community, bro, they are responsible for in the hospital. I have been in the hospital many times. I have seen like one Muslim woman has 8 9 child and they all in a queue. Can you imagine in the ration shop? In the ration shop. Yeah, in a ration shop, you can see there are many Muslim people. They get in a queue and they have the big family.
they are actually cumbersome. I mean burden for us this economy.
I think that's a is reason of just increasing the population. Because
So,
they are
should
just in
government
one home, there is
enjoy
a 16 family. How can
They perceive women as a machine.
yeah,
See.
you are right.
And they,
everyone
in their law, they can also marry the another one.
Many times.
Many
it's
times.
it's called khatna.
It doesn't
I
make
guess.
it,
I
it,
think
Yeah,
I
yeah.
like this process too.
it doesn't make any sense.
It's a, yeah,
Like the. I think it's
But
banned.
it has been
Yeah.
think like it has been just badly banned.
Banned.
So Nidesh, should government provide them a scholarship?
No, they don't need. I mean, one family has 8 or 9 child. If the government provide the scholarship to 9 child, so what about the general who has 1 and 2 child?
Yeah.
I mean, they throttle the 3 general equal to the one family. कला वोट देते हैं.
you are right.
So do you think like upcoming time?
One Muslim family is equal to 3 or 4 general family.
So upcoming time,
Yeah.
like Hindu family, they should work to just increase their members in family,
No
and then
problem.
they will be minority.
It will be the burden for the India and
But what about
India.
those they don't understand? How will make
Government,
them-
government should make law for them literally. If Indian
for
people,
them, not for us.
this is India and not Hindu and Indian people is doing this, so why they are just increasing their community?
I think
So
government
just
should
coming
launch.
majority.
Yeah, bro.
Government should launch the 1-2 child policy because
I think
it-
China is
it's
far
just
better
going-
than
yeah,
India.
You are right.
I mean, whatever the problem China sees, they implement. Whatever the problem USA see, implement. Ban Muslim.
So
Yeah.
yes, actually
Yeah, bro.
there is no democracy. There is
What's-
a communist government.
Tell me one thing.
So
What's
that's
the reason America banned the Muslims?
Why?
Why?
Yeah, Nitesh,
I
how
think-
would you like to demonstrate it?
Yeah.
What?
Like why America banned
American
to
banned.
enter
What's the reason?
US?
Actually, USA started, perceiving them as a criminal because
Terrorists.
terrorists. They,
Yeah.
I mean, they become burden for all the USA people.
Peoples.
So that's the reason.
Even
What do you
like
think India should do
9/11 attack and many even to more than 3,000 people they killed. That's why our entire US perceive them as a not criminal terrorist. That's why they ban and they also put off many just like rule and regulation on them. Even Zaru Salman Khan they can't. If they wanna go, they will have to go through rough way.
Bro, if in China only Chinese people is living, so why in India why there is why in India why there is no Hindu community only? If there is one community of Hindu, there will be no right on the basis of Muslim, Hindi, this community. So why government is not implementing this?
Okay, so you wanna say, as I am concerned about your words, so our country should be
One
one
community.
nation,
One
one
nation.
religion.
Yeah.
There will be no riot. There will be riot happen just because of the two communities.
No,
Muslim and Hindu.
but actually, just we have to demonstrate it.
Hmm.
Like Pakistan is Islamic country, but still, why that country is undeveloped? Even than us, we are developed than Pakistan. So
Why we are
how can you
comparing
say
them?
it? If we become Hindu country, then we can develop. Pakistan is not developing country.
No, it's not about the development, but some extent we can stop the riots.
Okay, how it will just stop the riots? Still in Hindu, if I demonstrate it, there are many castes. Even they fight each other. Yadav, Brahman.
But the major fight and the conflict happen with the only two community, Muslim and Hindu in UP in any state.
So what do you think? Whatever the yogi are not just doing from them, it's good or not?
Very, very best, not good.
So what do you think? Just every CM just do that such kind of thing.
Appreciate.
Kejriwal can't do in Delhi.
Kejriwal in just one interview
Actually,
said he
they are vote bank for them.
You are right.
They are vote bank for Kejriwal.
Actually, Yogi, don't think about the vote. He is doing whatever he wants to do
The stories is
because he knows that
Yeah, it's necessary to do.
Like okay पर करना, cancel करना. हाँ.
you know before the Yogi the condition of UP was so worse.
So
Hmm.
and now
All
you
the
can
Muslim,
compare.
Even-
threatening the Hindu.
When bro, you couldn't walk.
Congress
in the night.
Raj.
Even
Congress ruling.
girls couldn't walk, couldn't go outside in the night.
You can take the now example just you in UP.
I think every state chief minister should learn from Yogi.
Yeah.
Actually, he has become icon for Indian politics. Do you think that
He's
in
a-
Bihar, even police, actually Bihar is being ruled by bureaucracy, not leaders.
I
But
think
UP
Bihari, the way I see now, Bihari deserve to be disrespected by all the people because
yeah, I see you eye to eye.
I have seen many people. I have seen a person in metro. He was chewing a gutka and he just split in the metro, bro.
But bro, how they were taught? They were taught by government, and who is responsible? We are.
Yeah.
Actually, why we cast our vote based on just like caste? If you are a Yadav, I am Yadav. I cast my vote on the Yadav,
Yeah.
not with
Lalu was a real fool, but he was a kingmaker. Why? Just because of on the basis of caste, he get elected.
Yeah, even yeah. First of all, we should read affidavit. If Nitesh is Yadav, I am Yadav. I will never cast my vote.
You know
if he is
what?
not educated, if he will not work for development, everyone should cast our vote based on development.
Even
think there is a-
Nitish is useless CM.
Yeah.
He is useless CM.
I think there is only
Even
one
yeah,
reason.
we gave him twice and thrice opportunity, but he didn't do something.
Actually,
he became more than twice and thrice.
Tenure.
Tenure.
Actually, there is only one reason
But
that
he destroyed the Bihar.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
Bihar was one of the developed state in NCN.
And we are
Yes,
what
yes,
we are
yeah,
now
bro.
leaders.
Like he was a, Magar. He was called to be Magar.
But if you go na, even just any state in India,
Yeah.
if you say I'm from Bihar, you will be
Bro,
insulted.
do you know about the Dharmanga Maharaj? He has that much surety that he can buy whole country.
Yeah.
But
There is also some fraud from Dharmanga Maharaj if you know about.
Yeah. Even on that time he
He
had
also won train, I think.
he had train and even just personal flight with his pass. He had flight.
Flight, train, and all
He is
that.
the
bro.
richest person of India.
His clothes, look like full of jewelry. All the diamonds and silver
And
and
freedom
gold.
time he also hand over just many resources to government.
Actually, if the government just of Bihar, if just focus on knowledge
So
and
brother,
just
how
education,
just
it can-
Bihari people can help to develop the Bihar? Leader can't. We can't.
Even the beginning of the Sikh, just because of Bihari people, because Guru Gobind Singh was replaced in Bihar.
He just
Gautam Buddha
going-
got elected in Bihar. Chanakya, Aryabhatta, who gave the zero. The university that most of the other country
Nalanda
come.
University.
Yeah.
Chinese, USA, not USA, but European countries.
Russian
people,
they also
Russian.
just came in India to educate themselves. But nowadays Bihari, they go
Ashoka, Chandragupta.
they go
Oh my
just
god.
rest of India to work. But yeah,
It is a place.
do you know Goa and Maharashtra, Haryana, why these all still developed?
You know what? There is one fact like British, British ruled to Bihar more than any state. Like he get benefit from the Bihar than any state.
So what do you think?
All
Love?
the
Suppose
gold, silver, and he got much from Bihar state.
Love, you just you are the CM of Bihar. So what kind of change you want to change in Bihar?
First of all, I like to work on health and education.
Education.
Actually, education and health, Bihar is lagging behind.
What about the development?
Bro,
Any
like
hospital.
there is no hospital in
40
around the
kilometers.
40 kilometer, 50 kilometers.
Actually, the rest of the
And they believe in superstition. Oja and Guru.
Superstition. They always believe in black magic.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, so yeah.
Rudy one, yeah.
Okay, we will see you.